Annyeong chingudeul. Today I'm going to do another unboxing because I need a microphone, so I ordered through Coupang. So let's open. There is another box inside. Ta-da! It's a professional mini microphone. So let's open and see what's inside. Oh, so cute. Okay, so here are the features. Microphone, it's unit 9 by 7 by 5.2 meter. Its cable length is 2.2. Plug type and stand height is 15 cm. Frequency response is 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Okay. So simple. So cute. So I'm not a singer, but I need this. So I just have to untie this and I will connect to my speaker and plug this one. By the way, it can be a mirror. See? Good. So I'm going to plug it here for the mic. Okay, done. Hello, hello. Okay, and I will put it here. Turn it on and off. So I hope you like this video, so please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Annyeong.